Just a big news break that's coming in right now. Prime Minister Modi has now reacted to what's happened at Capitol Hill. He's tweeted, and I'm reading out of his tweet here, distressed to see news about rioting and violence in Washington, D.C. Orderly and peaceful transfer of power must continue. The democratic process cannot be allowed to be subverted through unlawful protests. The first reaction from India directly coming from the Prime Minister, who's expressed his distress over the news of violence and rioting. He's also gone on to say that orderly and peaceful transfer of power must continue. The democratic process cannot be allowed to be subverted through unlawful protest. A strong statement there from the Prime Minister saying the need of the hour is to ensure democracy wins, to ensure the democracy is restored in America and that there is a peaceful transfer of power. Geeta, first reaction coming in from India directly from the Prime Minister, who has called for peace to prevail.
Well, that's right, Akshita. The reason why world leaders are reacting and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also speaking of smooth transition of power is because they have already recognized the president-elect as the next president of the United States of America. They not only have recognized, accepted, but also congratulated Joe Biden. So the world continues to believe that the election and the electoral process was a fair one. And even as the final leg of that process is only nearly completed after the certification of votes that is taking place, that's under process now. Even before that was completed, the world already accepted the votes of the people, the democratic process that took place and the elections that were held. And that's the reason why most of the world leaders are coming out and not just condemning the violence that took place in Washington, Akshita. They're also coming out and saying that there needs to be smooth transition of power. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the latest world leader to really tweet about concerns and express distress over the violence that ensued in Washington, D.C., but also speaking about and calling for smooth transition of power. So important message there, not just from Prime Minister Modi, but from most leaders who we've been talking about, be it New Zealand, Australia, the UK Prime Minister. All of them have not just been condemning the violence, but also talking about the need for Trump to really see the writing on the wall and decently step down and allow a smooth transition.
Yeah, this is a clear message from the Prime Minister. He said that orderly and peaceful transfer of power must continue, and very importantly that the democratic process cannot be allowed to be subverted through unlawful protests. So this is India's stand right now, where they've come out to condemn what's happened at Capitol Hill, also pushing the United States to ensure that there is a peaceful transfer of power and that this kind of violence is not allowed to happen.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.